Alrighty then.
Welcome to Outdoor Fun.
Alrighty then. Cheers. Holy smokes. It's raining. On the way to the cottage. Having a coffee. Just picked up steak and some mushrooms, salad for supper, and a baked potato. Should be nice. Got a couple of things to do. I'm just spending the night tonight because there's a big snowstorm coming, so I'm gonna head home, take care of that, and then I might be back out later in the week. We'll see how it goes. I've got a couple things I want to work on while I'm there. This might be a short video, but we'll see. You never know. Yesterday was a tough day, man. 1 year ago yesterday, we lost Kylie. Oh man, that was a hard day. Anyway, but I went and I reviewed a whole bunch of old videos, so it made me feel a little bit better. Anyway, that's it for now. Stay tuned. See you soon. Alrighty then. Well, this certainly isn't ice fishing weather. Anyway, almost to the cottage. 15, 20 minutes to go. Ha! See ya! Alrighty then. It's still raining a little bit. Anyway, I got this new security floodlight installed, and now I'm going to work on something else. And let me show you. Stay tuned. Alrighty then. It's a little bit dark in here, but I got my little light. I don't know if it's going to make much of a difference, but it might. So what do I need to do? I need to work on taking this chuck off of, that's the thing that goes on the ice auger. Now I tried, so I did this a couple, last week. I used my big plumbing pliers and I tried to, anyway, what did I end up doing? I ended up bending the actual, whatever that is. So I've got two things I'm going to try. I've got my grinder. That was Ben's idea. He said I should be able to just take the grinder, just grind this piece off. Although it's bent, so he didn't want it. But I was like, I could probably unbend this, and then I don't have to buy a new one. But the other option is I'm going to take the sledgehammer. I'm just going to pound on it and see if that breaks it apart. So I think I'll try the sledgehammer first approach. I don't know. We're going to see. I've got a sledgehammer right here. I got a nice hard step over there out of cement. I think I'll do that first. Stay tuned. Oh, this is a little crazy. Let's try it. Sledgehammer time. Well, that was the easy part. The plastic just flew off, but I'm gonna hit the metal. Hey, good. How are you?
Good. Nice warm weather, eh?
Yes.
Gotta enjoy it.
We'll take it. Just having some fun here. Well, I loosened it up. Let's take a closer look. Alrighty then, yeah, a little bit of a mess. There's actually a bunch of grease in here, so all the little pieces of metal. I'm trying to get those so that they don't, fall anywhere they shouldn't. Anyway, let me get the grease off of this. And I'm going to put this in the vise, and I'm going to get the grinder and see what it's like. Stay tuned. Alrighty, let me grab a shop top towel. Better than paper towel. I couldn't find it earlier, so I just grabbed a piece of paper towel. Alright, put this light on. A little bit of extra light. keep forgetting how this freaking vise works. It's got this little hinge thing, so you got to have it in the right spot or else it pulls back on you. So anyway, looks like I got that right. Let me see. Sparks are going to be flying. I should probably put my safety glasses on. Oh, there's a pair over there. Perfect. Make sure this. Good idea, because this thing gets pretty sparky. Let me just see if it's working. Yep, works. All right, these are a little foggy. Holy smokes. Oh yeah, read through it. Jesus, sparky. That's for sure. All right. I'm just about that far from going through it, so let's do it again here. Try to get less foggy on my glasses here. It's fogging up on me. There. A little more. Ooh, let me show you what that looks like. Stay tuned. All right, if you can see that very well. Let's see here. I got a good amount. I got to get a better flashlight. Stay tuned. Alrighty then, here's a better flashlight. You can see where I've cut through pretty good there. I'm almost through. So I think I'll, where is it? There it is. I think I'll give that a little bit more and we'll see what it looks like. Stay tuned. Alright, let me go find my hammer. Stay tuned. Alrighty then, it's still I actually came too much up this way, so I need to go along the edge of what it's hooked onto. But it's fairly close. Anyway, let's see what we got here. Stay tuned. Actually, I'll just do it right now. Close. Let's see here. It's hot. Getting that pretty darn good, actually. It's on there really good. I'm just going to try it over here a little bit more. Make sure nothing's on fire in here. Oh, it's loose. It's loose. It's loose. All right. Oh yeah, she's moving. She's moving. Oh, she's coming off. A little bit tighter. Come on. Jeez, I grinded part of the vise. Oh, this is great. Oh, it's coming. Come on. A little more. It's almost there. Oh, come on. That's hot. Oh man, that is so close. Okay, let's loosen this a minute. There it goes. Come on. Oh, come on. It's so loose. I don't know why it's not coming off. I don't want to touch it. It's too hot right now. But it's coming right off of there. It's hot. If I need to give it one more little bit. That piece can come off now. A little piece there. I'm not sure why it's not coming off. It's like what's holding it? Sledgehammer time. I'll take the hammer and the sledgehammer.
It's off. Now I just need to bend this straight, and we should be able to use it again. Anyway, let me go tidy up, and I'm gonna let this thing cool down. Actually, it's probably a better time since it's still a little bit warm. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can't do that. Stay tuned. Oh, here, I'll show you the piece that came off. I've got it here in this tissue. Oh, maybe you can't see it that way. Might be too bright. Ooh, that's still hot. Anyway, I think you can kind of see that. You can see where I cut right through it. And then once I was able to cut through it, then I was able to kind of wiggle it a bit. And then when I went out there and just smacked it with the hammer, did a good job. Anyway, let's see if I can't bend the other piece nice and straight here. Assuming it's hot. Yeah, it's not too bad. It's a little bit warm, but not too bad. All right, so it's actually not that bad. It just needs to be bent just a little bit. Probably do it this way. Yeah. I'm not gonna be able to do it like that. Okay, I might have to. I need like something to pry it with. See if I can find a little pry bar. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Put it in here. Now I'll pry it. Which way do I have to pry it? Pry it this way or that way? This way. Got a couple of things I can use. I can use this maybe. Nope, not quite. I can't use that. Okay, let me see. What am I going to use for a pry bar? Come on, where is a pry bar? That's not going to fit. Just double check that. It's a little too narrow. Okay. Stay tuned. Let me go see if I can find something. I don't need a pry bar. I can just use this guy. Holy smokes. Almost perfect. Okay, just needs to be pried. Oh man, it's almost perfect. Oh, just a tiny bit this way. Tiny bit. Not much. Just a little bit. Well, that should be good. Almost as good as new. Let's see if it fits in the chuck. There you go. Tighten it up. there you go. She's rotating nicely. Tiny bit of a wobble. So maybe I'll make a couple of minor adjustments, but I think it's going to work. Well, that was a fun project. I got a little bit dirty. But hey, that was fun. Oh man, very cool. Anyway, that's it for now. I think I need a beer. Anyway, stay tuned. I got to feed the birds and have a beer and relax a bit. See ya. Cheers. Miller Lite. All right. Ooh, I was into Coors Light last week because my wife went to Costco and got 2 35 packs or 2 30 packs. They don't have Miller Lite there. I don't know why. Or actually, maybe they do. No. I think when I was there, they didn't have it. Oh, maybe they had it in like a different format. Anyway, she picked up the big 60 pack of beer. Anyway, the best deal in town. Oh yeah, that's my go-to. Check out the friggin' lake. It is going to freeze over like a skating rink after the rain today, and then it's supposed to, although it's supposed to snow tomorrow. So I don't know if it's going to get a chance to freeze properly. So anyway, I think what we're going to end up doing is waiting and doing some ice fishing next week. I think that's the goal. I'm really happy to get that floodlight installed. I got to test it out though. I guess I could have maybe, oh yeah, I could have put something over the photocell. Anyway, the light works. I put it in test mode and the light actually turned on. It's just that it will only go on when it detects something at night right now. So, and then I'm glad to get that attachment for the drill on the ice auger fixed. That was actually kind of fun. Anyway, I'm all cleaned up now. And what else? I think we'll see. I might, I'm going to head home tomorrow. There's a big snowstorm, so I figured I'd go home, take care of that. And then I don't know if I'm going to come back out on Friday or Saturday. It depends. I'm supposed to play pickleball Saturday afternoon in Perth. So I might come back Friday, spend the night, and then just go to play pickleball and then go home. Haven't decided yet. Or maybe I'll just go out Saturday and then spend the night here Saturday night. Probably one of those two options. I think what I'll do though is maybe go to the property tomorrow. Get hopefully some good trail cam coverage. It all depends on the weather in the morning. And we'll just go from there. I think for the rest of tonight though, I'm going to listen to some music. I'm going to have a fire. I'm going to barbecue that steak. I've got some mushrooms to go with it. Watch a little TV. Maybe play a little bridge online, relax a bit. Oh, I want to watch, what is it? Beast Games. I think the new episode is this week. I think it's Wednesdays. So I think that'll be good. Anyway, that's it for now. I'm going to, got to feed the birds too. Hopefully they'll be coming by. Anyway, see ya. Alrighty then, just missed the chickadees. They were here a little bit earlier. Then I was just kind of watching the blue jays, and I decided just to do a quick video of that last blue jay. They were up in the trees here, but I think they've gone now. But that guy was funny. He grabbed that piece of cookie. There's a cookie that I broke apart and put it down there. I had put little pieces inside the bird feeder at first, and they were taking those one at a time, but they're gone. So he went down and he found one down there, flew up there, and he was on the branch and he was like starting to break it apart. He's like, no, I'm just going to fly away with it. Anyway, he probably took it back to wherever he's going to have his supper. Anyway, that's it for now. See ya. Alrighty then, wild, eh? Check out all that water. Oh man, that's going to freeze over like crazy, except for too bad it's going to snow tomorrow. Oh, look at this. Oh, that was so cool. That was a palliated woodpecker that just flew by. Maybe I can put that in slow motion and actually see it. That was pretty cool. Anyway, that's it for now. Gonna go relax. See ya! Alrighty then, let's check the new floodlight outside. See if it's working. I'm just gonna turn this light off. I'll go outside, see if it turns on. It's supposed to turn on at night. Motion detection. Stay tuned. Alrighty then. I assumed you saw that go on. Ha! See ya! Alrighty then, let's show the before picture of this room and the before picture of this room. Alrighty then, let's show the after. Yeah, I'll go a little slower. So there's Mrs. Dunlop. She made that painting a long time ago when they owned this cottage. I guess back in '78 it says. Yeah, not too bad. You know what? This room still needs a little something, but it's a work in progress. Stay tuned for the other room. Alrighty then, yeah, I managed to find more things for this room, and it's there's some stuff in here that the girls may recognize. There's another painting from Mrs. Dunlop. Anyway, let me do a slow. It's like a little hanger. This is Mrs. Dunlop's painting. Julia might recognize this painting. Then I come over here and I put this mirror here. This used to be out in the porch. Another hanger. And then Emily might recognize this one. And then I found these ones at the Salvation Army. Laugh often, love much, live well. Not too bad. All right, I think this one is well equipped. I think I just need to work on the other room a little bit more. Anyway, that's it for now. See ya. Alrighty then, cheers. Really late. Sit by the fire. I just ended up shoveling out the driveway and the back here. And I left earlier today during the storm. Anyway, we got probably a good almost 8 or 9 inches already, and it's still supposed to snow for the next few more hours. So I'll try to get back to the cottage later this week, but I think this will be it for this week's video. I got to go and edit everything up, but I think what I'll do is I didn't make it to the property, so I'll go next week to the property. I'm going to get those snowshoes fixed up. Anyway, I think I'll just end this week with some pictures of Kylie. 1 year ago we lost her. Anyway, see ya.
Thanks for watching. See ya.